Energy up. Woo! Hi. Welcome to my channel, Beauty by Dave. I'm your host, Dave. It's okay. That's great. So this is my very first video. Oh my God. Oh, I gotta look at the camera. Wow. Okay, we're just gonna do it. This is my very first beauty routine. It's my daily routine. We're gonna try to get through this kind of quickly. So we're gonna start with our Glow Toner. Oh, not over there. Over there. Our Glow Toner from Charlotte Tilbury. Love this little product. Start with the toner. We're going to go 1, 2, 3 little droppers. And we're just going to just boom, boom, boom all over the face. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's okay. That's going to happen a lot. That's okay. This is our first video. Wow. Hi. We're just going to kind of chat as we go. Oh, wow. This is a long time coming. I can't believe I'm doing this. This is a video. Oh my God, it's real. I'm actually doing the video. I've been threatening to do this for so long. I am going to be freaking out the whole time, people. It's going to be okay. Okay, I love this product. It smells like roses, and it's yummy. Okay, we're going to start with our toner. Then what are we going to do? We're going to do some moisties. And we got the Charlotte Tilbury. We had this tiny little mini. It was free somehow. Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. It's okay. It's okay. We're low budge today. We're starting. This is the definition of what everybody says, that you should just start. You should just do it. And I've been doing this for months. I've been doing fake videos. I've been doing practice videos. And this is the first time I'm going to just actually make a video. I finally have my channel. It's all set up. I'm going to make this video and I'm going to post it immediately. Yeah, and then I'm just going to start. So there. So we did our toner and now we're going to do moisturizer. So yeah, a little bit about me. You know, my name's Dave. I've been doing beauty stuff for the past year and a half, pretty much. You know, and have absolutely no idea what I'm doing most of the time, and don't really know how to use most products. But I'm oh my God, it's so stupid how much better I am than I was a year and a half ago. Okay, so now we got moisties, and we got tonies. I don't really know primies. I don't really know primer very well, but I mean, can you go wrong with this product? I don't think so. So now we're starting out with the e.l.f. Putty Primer. Anything else? Oh! Well, I was going to use the serum, but we already skipped that stage, so too bad. There's this Bright Reveal from L'Oreal. I like this. I put little dots on, but I guess we didn't do that today. Because we're just starting. Yes. Okay. Okay. So we're going to put on just a little bit of this. Priming. I don't like a little bit, like the teeniest tiny amount. I don't really know what to do with the primies. So I've just been kind of like dotting it on. Got gigantic pores around here. Oh gosh. Okay. Well, that's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Just gonna keep happening. Okay. Yeah. We're gonna get a better setup. It's gonna be a fun little journey. That's what this whole thing's about. It's about the journey, people. It's about just doing it and just making it up as you go, getting better as you try it out. I'm gonna pass along some advice here, folks. This is really huge, okay? This is deep. I received advice, and I mean, it wasn't me that received the advice. I just watched a video from Gigi Good. Gigi Good, yes, you, the Gigi Good. Talking about makeup, talking about learning how, talking about what to do and not to do. So yeah, we're just patting in this primer, as you see. I'm kind of, as you can see, psychotic with my patting. Okay. I guess that's okay. Now we're going to let that sit for 30 seconds or whatever. Okay, cool. Everything's fine. Gigi Good. Famous. She said, don't watch any videos. Don't do anything anybody else does. Ever. Just paint your face, wipe it off, and do it again. Paint your face, wipe it off, do it again. Paint your face, wipe it off, do it again. And I was like, that is the dumbest advice I've ever fucking heard. Are you kidding? Like, I don't know how to do anything. I don't know how to do any of these products. And for a year and a half, I've just been painting my fucking face and then wiping it off and doing it again. And after you do it over and over and over, you just finally, I've learned how to kind of make it work for my little face. And I've learned, like, there's 12 products that we're going to use today that have created a look that works for me. So, yeah, cool. Okay, now we got primers. So, now I think we're ready to do the face. Okay. All right, cool. So, okay, now the bougie part of the day comes in. All right. I've been using this Luminous Silk foundation from fucking Armani. Yeah, I know. I know. I know. Okay. I wanted to return it. I had no intention of actually keeping this product. I do one little pump. One pump. That's it from this tiny little thingy. And it's the first foundation I've ever used that I actually, it works. It works. It freaking works, people. I don't know how, but it does. So I've got this blending, I got a blending brush. I'm clearly a little bit manic at the moment, folks. Let's take a little Betty break. This is an e.l.f. brush, contouring. Don't submerge it in water or it'll shatter. Whatever, it works still. Okay, I'm going to start dotting on a foundation. Okay, I don't usually do this on camera, so I'm going to use my little mirror. That's right over here. Okay, there we go. That's much better. Okay, we're just going to kind of sort of stipple, I believe it's stipple. I mean, stipple, but whatever. Just kind of beat the shit out of it. Just going to pat it on. Maybe this is called buffing. I don't really know. I like this better than just swiping. I'm not a swiper. I really just kind of pack it on in there with the brush. And I'm using super minimal material here. Very, very little foundation. Close your eye, go around the eye. Yep, in the eye. Go right in there. Fuck it. Right up in there, babe. And just it really helps if you make the noise. Okay. Alright, now this is really the exciting part because I've got foundation all over my face now. Alright, we got that whole pump out off of there. Thank you. Other foundation that we're not using. Okay. Oh, God, I just love this fucking product. Alright, I hear it's good. It's I got foundation on my face. You can't really tell. Okay. Great. Moving on. Okay, this is a quick day, so we're just going to kind of get through this. Okay, now we do foundation. Now I got a Merit stick. This is contour stick. This is Tiger Eye. This is super, super dark. I do these big hollow things in my forehead, and I do a little dot right there on the upper cheeky. This is contour. I mean, don't ask me. I just am making this shit up as I go. I'm just kind of copying what I see all my little friends doing on their little videos. We just kind of do the same thing. Blend that in until it's basically gone. What are we doing? I don't know. Is this doing anything? I'm not sure. I mean, whatever. I hear we're supposed to do the dark on the outside. So, here we go. Okay. Just kind of just buff that in, a little bit around, a little bit, do kind of a little C action. So maybe this side will kind of swipe inside a little bit. As you can see, I've left the facial hair, beard line on today. Because we're doing, basically male makeup today. This is our male, quote unquote, no makeup look. It just really evens out your face. It just really nice, a really nice complexion. I do get a lot of compliments about how I look nice. And I'm well, yeah, it's because I have a shitload of makeup all over my face, people. A shitload of makeup on my face. This is fun, people. Okay, this was supposed to be about 11 minutes. We're going behind schedule. Okay, we got our little contour on. Great, good for us. Fun. Okay. Now we can do a little bit of bronzy. We're going to have our Tower 28 Sculptino. Can't see that because of the light. This one's the shade Getty. I don't know why. This is just going to add a nice little glow. We just put a little bit of product on here. We don't want too much. All right, I'm going to use this. And then we're just kind of going on the bottom of the forehead. This really doesn't add much. We really don't want to put too much on here because I'm very pale. So a very little bit of bronzer goes a very long way with me. And I like deeper shades. Okay, that's good. A little bit on the Just a little bit of Blendy Wendy. Blendy Wendy, he says. Okay, cool. All right, we are bronzed out, babe. Look at us. Okay. Bronzer. Okay, bronzing tinter. Ooh. Okay. Honestly, I'm gonna shout out this new Glossier concealer. I'm not gonna use it today because I haven't tried it out very much. So maybe next time. All right. Excuse me. Okay. So cool. Okay. So yes, so we're just kind of covering. We're trying to just kind of create, evenness. Add a little bit of color to my face. Sometimes I look a little bit deathly. It's too much. Oh. So this just adds a nice glow, an evenness. It cuts out any redness. If I got any kind of marks or any, blemishes or whatever, it kind of covers it up. And really, it's the dark circles. I got death circles. Just absolute death circles. I can't really get rid of them, but like this little thing, this routine really kind of just helps cover it up a little bit. Okay, now this is the secret. This is a secret weapon. Okay, this is the secret weapon. Super Dewy. This is from Makeup Fucking Revolution. Yeah. I've never come across any product that's anywhere near as good as this. Super Dewy Liquid Blush. This one is the shade Fake the Flush, baby. Okay, I'm going to use this thing over here. All right, we're just going to do a nice little strip. Oh, too much. All right, that's a little bit much. We're going to do a little strip on this side. I'm running out of product in this tube, so it's coming out a little bit funky monkey. All right, bud. All right, well, it's not coming out the way that I want it to. But that's what I wanted. Okay. So I do use a pretty heavy hand on this blush because it kind of just blends right in. And then we're just going to kind of put that, and I'm really going to just kind of put that everywhere. This is a super effective product. It goes extremely well with my skin tone. And it really, it's called Fake the Flush. And it's just like, it does do exactly what that says. All right, I got more on that side. All right, and we're going to kind of go over the nose. We're going to use this blush. We're going to go all the way over, up. We're really adding color. We're really adding life to the face right now. We're adding skin tone. We're adding the peach of peach skin, whatever. Oh, gosh, it just looks so gorgeous. Okay, and then we have this nice maroon one called Flushing for You. And this I use as just a little bit of actual blush. So this goes really right up at the top, right above the point, and we're going to put a little dot right there. Or we do the other side. Right there, we can't really see that. All right, bam, okay. And this will just act as like just a little tiny bit of blush actually on there. All right. We're just going to leave right in place. Right around in a circle. Not much. Boom. Okay. Leave that in place. Boop, 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 boop. I was going to use a sponge today, but I'm not. I'm going to just do full brush. Make it simple. This is a routine you can throw together. It takes 10 minutes in the morning. Taking a little bit longer because I'm talking and shit. And we can really throw this together. Okay. And that's basically... we're getting basically to the end. Okay, that's our blush. That's everything. Got it. Yep, okay. Now powder. Now, one size. This is it. Don't try other powders. Seriously. One size ultimate setting powder. This is translucent. Excuse me. I want to try like the yellow one or the pink one, but this translucent is just, it serves. It's serving. I basically just take a little bit and tap it out on my little table. Take about 6 to 9 tappies. And I'm just going to use my same brush. I'm just using the same brush for everything. Keep it really simple. And then just dip it in my little powder. And then just do the same thing. Boom. All right, we're really powdering everything up. Boom, 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 do another little dip, and we're gonna do left side. Right up in there, no problem. A little dip on the right. Okay, we'll go over the nose a little bit. We try not to get in the beard line, as you can see. Don't get in there, because you'll get shit in there, and it doesn't belong in there. You know, stay above there. Okay, bam. Okay, that's powder. That's powder. Ooh, calm down. All right, I'm gonna wipe that off. Okay, it's still moving and grooving and grooving and grooving and booming and booming and booming and booming. Okay, we're actually done, folks. We're done. Final step. Charlotte Tilbury. Again. Setting powder. Okay, we're just gonna go to town. All right, these huge sprays from this. You know, you really only need like maybe 2 or 3, but 4, 5, 6 is fine too. Okay. And as you can see, we're nice and wet now. And then we're gonna do what Allie tells us. I mean, we do anything that Allie tells us we do. Okay. And we're gonna press our setting spray in. All right, just gently. So all right, just gently pressing. Okay. Brush down, folks. Okay, and then for fun, we're gonna finish off with a lip. Look at this. Ravi motherfucking beauty, baby. Yeah. Oh my god. This is my favorite brand of all time, of course. And we got Lily at the very end of my stick. Just for a little bit of lip. Just a little bit of moisture. This just really blends in with my lip shade. Just to give it like a little gloss. It's a nice little sheer coat. Okay. We're gonna do that. And we're gonna just kind of pat that in. Okay, folks. Welcome to Beauty by Dave. That's my channel. This is my everyday makeup. No makeup look. Hopefully you can tell it's completely uncloggable. You can't see any makeup, but I just look even. I look super glowy. I feel super confident. I feel like my under eyes look a little bit better. I just look bright. I feel gorgeous. And that's what we do here. So I didn't really tell you anything about my channel or what we're going to do, but that's okay. We're going to get there. This is the first one. If you're here, click on subscribe and like the video and do all that stuff. If you're here, it's probably because I've been on your channel, like talking to you and like begging you to come look at this video. So, oh my God, I love you. Thank you so much for coming. This is going to be so much fun. I'm so excited. We're just going to make videos. This is for beginners. This is for anybody who is afraid to do makeup or doesn't know how to do makeup. But let's not know how to do it together. It's not afraid. Don't be afraid. Just try it. And let's have fun. Okay, we'll see you soon, everybody. Love you. Bye-bye.